Hi, I'm Shubhangi.
How was the overall difficulty of the exam?
It was, I think, as previous years only. Quant was fine, I think, yeah. And there was a mistake in one of the questions, I think.
Moderate to difficult.
I found the verbal section little difficult. Quant was easy. I found fault in some two or three questions. I don't know, maybe it's my mistake. Decision making section was easy.
I think medium. It was not too tough.
Overall difficulty is about the. I was expecting it was tougher than the CAT exam, but it was about moderate level.
And what about DLR decision making?
Decision making was fine, I think. And DI was also good. I mean, there was a mistake in DI only.
Decision making on moderate level.
Decision making was adequate, normal, not that difficult. BARC was difficult. So decision making had a few questions from a few past year papers. So that was a saving grace.
Were you able to manage to complete all the three sections within time? How many
Yeah,
questions
yeah.
did you attempt?
I attempted around 60 something questions.
Able to manage around 70 questions.
I think I attempted 48 questions out of 74.
I attempted around 40 questions.
This section has been scrapped on from this year. So are you happy about the decision or you wanted that?
I think it was good. I think, yeah. It was like previous papers, so there was not a big jump in difficulty level or very low as well. So yeah, I'm satisfied.
Quite happy. Because last year I don't know what I'm able to write that questions.
Actually, I'm happy because before you have to first complete the 1 hour 65 minutes of part one, and then you have to write an essay. So you cannot think more of it. But if you get VAT separately, you can write and get better ideas.
I'm happy. I didn't have to study for it.
What is the next
I
plan
have
for
to,
MBA
that's it.
admission?
I'm gonna go for interviews this year only because I'm getting 93 above something.
I'm hoping that I'll get a good score in that.
I'll check out my percentile and then go for other colleges.
I'm planning this year.
So with 82, I think I'll have to take a drop year and give in November again. I'm in third year BCom honors, so I think I can stay at home for 6 months. But let's see for ZAT and IFT what's the result.
Like the video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated on other universities and entrance exams. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and www.careers360.com.